Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best handheld spreader. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best handheld spreader based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Scott's Wizz Handheld Power Spreader. Scott's Wizz Handheld Power Spreader is an innovative tool for evenly dispersing lawn fertilizer, weed killer, and grass seed. This power spreader has a high-end vibe thanks to its brown acrylic construction and elegant design. It will be a conversation starter in any environment. Because to its proportions, you can be confident that it will meet all of your lawn maintenance requirements. You may take it anywhere you go because to its lightweight design, just 2.1 pounds. Even though it doesn't fold up, it should be easy to stow away in a garage or storage shed. Use the Scott's Wizz Handheld Power Spreader as your first step in professional-grade lawn care. Its high-tech features will allow you to transform your garden into something truly spectacular. It can cover up to 2,500 square feet of turf with Scott's lawn care products to its 5-foot broadcast and edge guard technology. It's also highly configurable thanks to its 23 available parameters. Also, it is powered by 4 AA batteries, making it both convenient and effective. The Scott's Wizz Handheld Power Spreader is the best tool for any home repair job because to its durability and portability. Invest in one today and see a dramatic improvement in your lawn maintenance. Number 2. TIPU Hand Spreader Shaker. Learn more about the incredible TIPU Hand Spreader Shaker for a dependable and quick method of spreading grass seed, fertilizer, ice melt, and deicer at any time of year. With 3 different hole sizes to choose from, our ingenious design can easily spread salt on roads and walkways. Our spreader is made of durable plastic and can hold up to 80 ounces. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to use. The roomy grip makes gardening a pleasurable experience, allowing for precision and persistence. This lightweight and easily transportable tool features a twist, open cap, and filling technology. The TIPU Hand Spreader Shaker will help you save time and materials by preventing you from overspraying. Powerful, portable, and easy to use, that's the TS Wizz Handheld Power Spreader. Its high-tech features will allow you to transform your garden into something truly spectacular. It can cover up to 2,500 square feet of turf with Scott's lawn care products to its 5-foot broadcast and edge guard technology. It's also highly configurable thanks to its 23 available parameters. Also, it is powered by 4 AA batteries, making it both convenient and effective. The Scott's Wizz Handheld Power Spreader is the best tool for any home repair job because to its durability and portability. Invest in one today and see a dramatic improvement in your lawn maintenance. Number 3. Brinly HH35BH FIVELP All-Season Handheld Spreader. The Brinly HH35BH All-Season Handheld Spreader is a 5-pound tool that makes lawn and garden maintenance a breeze. Perfect for flower beds, walkways, and side yards, its 5-gal/2L capacity and reinforced contoured lip form make filling quick and easy. In addition, spreading any substance is a breeze because of the large crank and comfortable trigger handle. In addition, the spreader's material flow can be adjusted from 0 to 5 feet with the turn of a knob located on the spreader's variable flow gate. You can use this machine to disperse ice melt, fertilizer, grass seed, and other similar materials. This spreader will perform a great job whether you're using it to de-ice slippery sidewalks, spot seed, or fertilize a small to medium plot. In addition, it is constructed of a sturdy, industrial-strength poly, so you may confidently place your feet there despite the weight of big objects. The trusted Brinly Hardy Company has been creating high-quality and long-lasting lawn and garden products since 1839, when it was founded by the Brinly family. To simplify your gardening efforts, pick up one of these spreaders. Number 4. Spot Spreader Hand Spreader Shaker for Seed. Spot Spreader, the best hand spreader shaker, is now available. This sturdy shaker is ideal for all your gardening and lawn care needs. Spot Spreader is the best tool for efficiently dispensing large quantities of salt and seed onto driveways, walkways, and lawns. The screw-top container's wide mouth and interchangeable seals make it suitable for a wide range of materials. In addition, the large size can hold up to 80 ounces of material, allowing you to quickly and easily cover large areas. Plus, it has a sturdy handle, which makes it easy to transport and store. Take advantage of the conditional forever money-back guarantee. Anybody from experienced landscapers to do-it-yourselfers can benefit from using a spot spreader. Change the way you take care of your lawn forever by using spot spreader to ensure that your grass always gets the attention it deserves. Number 5. HBC Rotary Hand Spreader for Lawn and Garden. To help you maintain your lawn and garden, HBC has created the Rotary Hand Spreader. Use this high-quality spreader to easily and evenly distribute materials like seeds, fertilizer, or ice melt. The sturdy design and comfortable grip make this tool a solid investment. With a capacity of up to 1 square meter, the HBC Rotary Hand Spreader is ideal for large-scale applications. This way, you can tend to your entire garden or lawn at once, knowing that you have plenty of product on hand. Due to the spreader's swiveling arms, evenly dispersing the product to all areas is quick and easy. This is ideal for gardens of any size. This spreader is not only functional and sturdy, but also looks great. With its glossy black and green plastic finish, your garden will become a source of pride. Furthermore, the spreader is simple to clean and put away after use. Don't leave home without the HBC Rotary Hand Spreader. It has a large capacity, is well made, and looks great, so you can grow a beautiful garden. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.